Good morning viewers, and welcome to all my type 1 buddies out there in the diabetes community. My name's Mary and I am one half of Type 1 Mummy and Me. Sorry for the ums and ahs here. I'm very nervous and this is totally unscripted, but I thought I would show you what we have taken on holiday with us to help with both Verity's and my diabetes. We're away for 2 weeks in Wales and I didn't want to miss getting our second video up to you. So welcome back to any viewers that have joined us for the second time, and welcome to any new viewers out there. I will now switch you round to the forward facing camera so that I can show you what we've brought. Okay, so excuse any mess around the bedroom. As you realise, I'm sometimes away on holiday with family, you never look tidy. But this is all of our supplies that we have brought with us. And obviously the most vital thing is our insulin, which is in the Frio pouch in the fridge to keep it nice and cool at the moment. So I will start on the left here. And as you can see, we've brought a box of Uni-solve wipes with us, which we use to remove our Dexcom and our cannula sites. Alcohol wipes in case we need them for site issues, and some Skin-Tac wipes there, supplied by our pump company, because Verity manages to sweat her cannulas off every time, no matter the temperature. Okay, and I've bought 2 boxes of Freestyle Beta-ketone tester strips, so there's 20 strips there, just in case our pumps fail or we happen to pick up a bug. There is a box full of Glucojuice. We get these on prescription because we're very lucky. As you can see, it's 15 grams of glucose per 60 mils. It's not the nicest of things to drink, but it's a lot better than some of the things I've tried in my 25 years. Verity loves it, and we find it works extremely quickly. You can buy those on Amazon as well. We've got 2 full pots of gluco tabs. We buy these off of Amazon, and I will try to link below to the ones we buy. As Verity is a growing diabetic, she does tend to have a lot of hypos. We also use the tablets to keep us up when the Dexcom's alerting us that we're dropping, but we haven't quite reached hypo stage. We also have a box full of GSF syrup, which the doctor provides us as a backup in case we run out of any treatment. And again, these are nice and easy to use. As you can see, runners use them. They taste worse than the glucose drink, if I'm honest, but in a pinch they are usable. I have here 2 battery caps for our Animas pump and 2 cartridge caps for Animas pump in case one should break or we happen to lose one. Inside this red folder, which I'm not going to turn over, is our what to do in an emergency information, so pump information, who to contact, and how to deal with sick days, or the sick day rules as they're known. I have a pack of 4 Energizer lithium batteries because both our pumps take 1 at a time, so we have backups. We have 2 pots of Accu-check Aviva test strips. Obviously now we're on the Dexcom, we don't use these a great deal, but we have them in case we need to just double check things. This here is 2 boxes of Animas 2ml cartridges for our pumps. We change that at every site change every 3 days. So plenty for the 12 days we're here, and also backups just in case. We have in this box here, that's our cannulas and infusion sets and tubing. Again, we've bought enough for the 12 days we're here for the 2 of us. and spares just in case. And here is our lovely Dexcom G6. We love this thing. It's amazing. Great for keeping our sugar levels in range because we can see what's going on. One day we'll do a insertion video for you so you can see how easy that is to use. This here is a pump belt that Verity uses if she's wearing something that she can't clip her pump to, or if she's going in the sea, or even just running around too much because the pump tends to flip off of her shorts. It was made by Pimp My Pump, and I will link that in the down bar below. Here are a selection of rock tape stickers. They were originally bought for the Freestyle Libre, but since switching to the G6 we have found that we can stretch them to go round the Dexcom transmitter, so we can continue to use those. And we also have just some pump stickers and things just in case we fancy a change. So I do believe that is everything apart from the insulin, as I say, which is in the fridge. We probably could have packed more, but to be honest, we had no room in the suitcase. And after 25 years of doing this, I know pretty much what we do need and what we don't need. Also in Wales, all prescriptions are free and fairly easy to get hold of, so any backups we can go to a doctor here. As I say, a nice quick video. I'm not going to flip the camera around because I am rather hot and sweaty, but for a quick hello to Verity.
Hello.
She just came up to get dressed. As you can see, she's just sporting her wonderful PJs that do not match. On her right arm there, you can see her Dexcom. That's peeling off, but I think that's due for a change in the next day or so, isn't it? And there's her mobile phone so that she can see what's going on. What's your blood sugar level doing at the moment, Verity?
15.1 and straight across. I had Cocoa Pops this morning, so...
Oh, demon breakfast cereal. Demon. Never mind, we'll sort that out in a minute, won't we? Right, we best let you get dressed then, haven't we? Do we say bye, Diabetics?
Bye, Diabetics.